Hi guys, simply AlRitch here. Did you see that notification from Meta? It's now time to update your tax info or else your earnings will be expired. How to do that? Simply go to your profile or page that has monetization enabled and then go to the payouts and you will see there an alert to update your tax info. Click that button and then you will see the list of names that you have if you are managing different pages or uh if you have seen more than one and you are only managing a page. This may be a bug, or you have previously added that and you haven't finished it before. Okay, click that name. So for this example, the name, the date of birth, and the address are already supplied, but I have don't have the tax info yet. So input the tax identification number and then make sure to check the box to certify that the information is correct, and then add your tax info, then continue. Then let's get started. What is your tax classification? Let's select individual if it is not yet checked. And then are you a US citizen? Then select no. Then are you acting as an intermediary agent? No, because this is direct to me. Then click next. Then select your country. So the name is already supplied. And then the for the tax, it is non-US because I'm from the Philippines. As you can see, it has my tax already there. Then click next. Okay, check your info. If it is correct, continue, click next. Then for the services, are these services physically performed in the US? 0% because I am from the Philippines. So let's select 0%. Then click next. Then click consent to provide electronic yes. Certify that the info are correct. Yes. Then input your name. Then click next. Then review your submitted info. If it's correct, then you can just go back and make changes. Then select certify that capacity the person. Okay, then the name is already then submit info. As you can see, it's correct. The tax identification number is non-US. Then if you want a paperless delivery, make sure to check that checkbox. Then click next. Then no more error. Or as you can see, our tax info has been updated. That's it, guys. Hope that helps.